Today we're gonna be making spaghetti just like the white people from Roman noodles. Took it out the package, so that's already done. Now all we have to do is add the sauce. First we're gonna start off with a little Parmesan. Okay, a lot of Parmesan. We're gonna add the Nashville hot sauce. Let that marinate for a little bit. Cream of chicken. Can't forget the cream of chicken. What's spaghetti without Thousand Island? That's what the white people say, hey. Olives. Got all the juice in there too. Delicious. Can't forget the marshmallows. What you want to do is preheat your oven for 350 and put this spaghetti in the oven for like half an hour. That should do it. And it is all ready. That made everything look fancy.